Okay, this is React Inbox video 2. In the last video, I forgot about the message subject. Super simple. Message dot subject. Let's check. We got message and props dot subject. Subject should work. Yeah, worked. So let's go to Styleguide. Actually, let's go to Learn. Okay, so starring. Users should be able to star and unstar a message. So it's pretty much on and off. So let's go from the top down and build the function. All right. Needs to be a class property of app, and this is app. All right, Raul. He's a graduate. Anyways, let's see here. Class property of our app. So that was starred, right? We want it to be star. So user starred message equals. That's wrong, right? It's totally wrong. So let's have it be a function. There we go. Now it's a function. So okay. When we click it, it'll just log here. And let's pass it down. User starred message equals this dot user starred message. We don't want to run it, we just want to pass it. Okay. And we'll have to do that here too. Making sure. Okay. So we add a prop to message also. This dot props dot message is, and we'll have this dot props dot user starred message. So user starred message equals Okay. So it's not in message. It's not even in the message itself, because message would be this stuff. It's in this dot props. We called it user starred message. So we get that information from props. And then here, we're going to pass that function down. So the function comes from here as props. So we made it a class property. We made a function as a class property. We passed it down to message list. We called the prop user starred message, and we gave it the function this dot user starred message, which is this here. And it gets sent to the message list as user starred message. This gets props from the component. I guess we'd get the component. I don't know how that works. Okay, I don't even want to try to explain that. But we get props magically. So this dot props user starred message is the function we're going to pass to each message. Save that. And here we're going to get it as user starred message. That's our function. Came all the way down to here, and where's the star? Okay, I'm going to check. All right, on the input. Okay, on change. This is our action. We use user starred message. So let's make this into an arrow function. User starred message, but we have to run it. And let's give it an argument, message. Since message is this message. Since we iterate it in the map function. It's only one. It's the message that it is on. So if we go here, let's do let's go to Chrome. And we have to click the star, right? I guess it is not really giving us anything. On change, let's do it on click. Okay, we have it right. The check, oh, it's the checkbox. My bad. All right, we gotta go to the star. Fuck. All right. Sorry about that. All right, on click on the star. Okay. Let's try that. There we go. We got the message in here, which will give us starred. So message dot starred equals not message dot starred. Because if it's true, it'll be false after this, and if it's false, it'll be true after this. It just switches it on and off. And then we have to set state, right? So this dot set state, and we'll start with this, the original. You can concat onto it the message, or concat it with the message. I don't know how it works. It just works. It's JavaScript. I don't know why concat does this. I don't know why concat is able just to take the message from here and concat it onto messages without adding one. I'm gonna have to look into why that works. I just tried it and it worked. It's magic. So lots of magic. So we can do this for the star, the checkbox, and all that other stuff, and the red, right? Because we click it and it becomes red. So what's next? Selecting individual messages. So let's do user selected message equals message. All right, message dot selected equals message dot selected, except it's another toggle. And then let's just copy and paste this. That should work. Actually we have to pass it down, right? So it would be user selected message equals this dot user selected message. Pass it to message list, and from message list we pass it down again. Now we've passed it down twice. Go here, input. Since you can select it then spacebar it, we have to do on change. Equals arrow function user selected message. We want to run it, and we didn't get it up here. User selected message. Now we have two functions. Marking messages as read. That's in the toolbar. Actually, I was talking about this. This is in the toolbar. Let's check this. That's in the toolbar, right? That's right there. I don't want to do the toolbar now. I want to do this. So let's keep it that way. Let's mark them as red first. Red and unread. Let's boom this. And then do the toolbar next. Because that's different. All right. So we got select, that works. We got star, which works. Now we need to make sure we can select them as red. So start from the top. User read message equals a function. message dot red equals true. That's me. All right. And then we just copy, paste. User read message equals this dot user read message. User read message equals user read message. Okay. Top down. User read message on click equals, because this is the div, it's 11 long, so might as well make that the click thing. Make the arrow function and user read message. There we go. Click it. Awesome. And it's complaining about a key. Key equals index. There we go. No warnings. Our label list was missing the key. So we have clicking it, which makes it red, selecting it, which toggles the checkbox and the yellow thing, and we have the star. And there's this gray part in the div. See that? Okay. So the toolbar, I think, is next, because there's nothing else we can do here, is there? Right? Oh, man. Yeah.